and we're ready to wear our neon colors. But I want to make sure that you don't have to use 1,000 coats. So what I want you to do is grab a white polish, and we're going to use it as our primer. We're going to apply a thin, even coat on our nails, and then we're going to allow it to dry for at least 1 minute. Once it dries, we're going to then go in with our neon color. I'm sure that will give you the pop that you're looking for. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please drop it below. I can't wait to get you an answer. Thanks for watching, and thanks for sharing.